Hello, summer stitchers. Hello, hello, hello. I am Tamra, and I think I filmed 3 videos and never introduced myself. I'm Tamra. My Flosstube channel is Ufostitch-tastars. T-A-S-T-A-R-S. I hope you join me. My videotaping is not quite professional, but I decided that we should always try something new and not be scared. So the Black Needle Society is a wonderful cross-stitch and lifestyle subscriber box. Every other month, you get a box, and you don't know what the theme is. Or, sorry, you don't know what's in it, but you know the theme. And you start months in advance. I am not a subscriber. I am patiently waiting on the waiting list. But I just love the Black Needle Society. It's a mother and daughter duo. And the daughter is a brilliant artist in her own right. And it's really renewed my love of cross-stitching, and it's kept me going. So this is the Stranger Things special edition box. It came in the mailbox yesterday. Came in the mailbox yesterday. And I just finished season 4 of Stranger Things. I had not watched it because, I think I was waiting for season 5. So I cut the tape yesterday, and I took a deep breath, and I said, no, I'm gonna actually film it. I'm gonna film an unboxing. I'm gonna be brave. I'm gonna be very brave. Very brave. Open the box. Don't knock over the camera. Don't knock over the camera. I'm talking to myself now. Ah. I hope this isn't backwards. If it is, I will, maybe I can edit it or fix it or something. This is called the spoiler card. I love these so much that I laminate them. That's how much I love them. Did I tell you this is my chaos corner? Okay, I'm not going to read the whole book. This shows you the designers and what you're getting. And so I will post that at the end because I don't want to know yet. I want to be surprised with you. Okay. Hello, Society Stitchers. A note from the Society. This special edition box is being sent off with a lot of mixed emotions. We had initially planned this box as a survival box, as in you should use these items after watching the final season, and how will we survive without more Hawkins to look forward to? But due to the 2023 writer and actor strikes, which led to filming and production delays, it has instead become a, quote, we can't believe we'll be waiting till 2025 for more Hawkins. How will we survive box? We don't know about you, but we're so excited to catch filming and production updates as they're teased online. This is why I waited to watch season 4. I like not to have to wait so long. But while we all wait with bated breath for the final season, Beth Twist of Heartstring Samplery has us covered with some epic stitching. Not only did she design one fantastic pattern, but she sent a second along as well. Okay, I'm so excited. The more important question now is, which one will you start first? Thank you so much to my fellow fangirl Beth and all our stranger vendors for helping us to create this survival box. Yay! And let's give kudos to yay, the Black Needle Society. Okay, okay. It's a bag of floss by Night Stalker's Calling. By Night Stalker's Calling. Look at that variation. Sorry for the crinkling. See, I'm unpacking with you. This is why you're getting live excitement. You're getting everything live here. Okay, so this first one is called Dimmy Dog. Oh, we know what that's in reference to, don't we? Ooh, it's very nice. It's very light, silvery, greenish, a little bit pink in there. Oops, a little bit pink in there. That was my dog. So I have a Bichon Frise, and I have a macaw, and a Sun Conure, so it can get kind of noisy. I wanted to show you that in a little better light. There. Don't want to lose anything. I'm in the middle of decluttering and doing things. This is Demo Bats. Demo Bats. And this is, ooh, this is the silvery. This is a very silver. In fact, it matches my shirt that I'm wearing right now. It's very silvery. This is a lot of floss. I'm telling you, I'm starting to use more and more of my floss. This is Demogorgon. Ooh. This is Demogorgon. You see all the colors in there? We've got some purple and yellow and green. Oh, this is fantastic. Oh my gosh, I love this. And again, this is by Night Stalkers. Ooh, Mind Flayer. Okay, I'm scared of this color. That is some wickedly blood red. Wow. Ooh. Yeah, I'm kind of scared now. Mind Flayer. Ooh. Vecna. Vecna. We all know who Vecna is now, don't we? Don't we? We all know how Vecna came and the little boy in the house. I'm not going to blow anything if you haven't seen the 4th season yet. But was I the only one upset when they picked up the brick and broke the stained glass? Is that just me? Is that just me? This is our needle minder. And you don't need to tear the package or cut it. You can just do this. No way. Look how cool that is. Okay, I've become a needle minder fan. Wait, okay, I'm trying to show this better. I've become a needle minder fanatic. I just want you to know this. Look at that, Hellfire Club. I swear I'm going to put a sticker on my car. And I don't put stickers on my cars. On my car. Okay, I'm going to put this back in its protective covering. I'm speechless. I'm speechless. That's L in the middle. And these are our characters. And I'm not gonna open it now and crinkle. But this is a pretty good size. I would say this is maybe 18 by 12. This is a really good size. I can put all my Stranger Things in here. There's a box. There's a box. And it's heavy. And it's really heavy. There's a heavy box. What if I open it and a Demogorgon comes out? Remember when it was little? When he had it as a pet? It looked like a lizard. It looked really cute. Until it started eating people. This is live. Oh, I'm going to use this. I'm going to use this. Mornings are for coffee and contemplation. Oh, this is awesome. And it's not too big. I always think like, who drinks all that? Oh, and it's got a lid. This is so cool. I love it. Love it. I love it. I love it. Do not microwave. I love it. This is great. I know exactly where this is going. I love it. I love it. I love it. There's fabric. And sometimes you're allowed to pick. You don't pick the count. So sometimes they say, do you want Aida, linen, or even weave? And I've noticed a lot of times it's 32 count, which I want to stitch more, and 32 count is a little bit challenging for me. So I asked for Aida, and I got Aida, and I'm so excited. It's by Mystic Fabrics, and it's 16 count. Ah, it's Aida! I'm so excited! I told you, I tried to calm down. What am I going to do with this? What am I going to do with this? This is crazy. This looks just like Hawkins. It does. What are you doing? It's my dog. Sorry. But you don't need the cloth. You don't need the cloth. Does that make it? Can you see that better? Look at how saturated this variation is. Oh my gosh. So this is 16 count Aida, and I love the fact they serge it for you. Yes, they serge it for you. Mystic Fabrics. Oh my gosh, this is so cool. Sometimes the fabric is for the charts, and sometimes the fabric's just the fabric. And it says upside down. It says the upside down world. Oh. Okay, I'm glad I opened this in the daylight. It's a little bit frightening. Okay. Oh my gosh, the special edition box just keeps going. I am a curiosity voyage and need me riddles? Me riddles? Ooh, ooh, ooh. There's a bookmark. Oops. Sorry about that. I'm trying to do that so you can see better. Hopefully I can edit that out. Is that Dustin? I think that's Dustin. I love this. I love this. I love this. Friends don't lie. And it's on a waffle. And you know what that's about. You know that Elle's favorite food was a waffle. I love stickers. I love stickers. And this one's like vinyl almost. It's kind of heavy duty. I love stickers. We have more than one chart. I don't know what to say. Halfway happy. Oh, halfway happy. Wow. Look at this. That is incredible. That is incredible. I wonder, okay, if I stitch it, when I stitch it, I wonder if I'll do, like maybe do this side first and then turn it over and do that side. Oh, that is so cool. She was inspired. Hopper's Town. Oh my gosh, I have to stitch this. It's the whole town. It's the whole town of Hawkins. Look at that. Look at that. Look how happy, what a happy little town that was. That noise was that was my Bichon. Alba. Odie's quiet. This is a good time to film. Ooh. I can't wait to get into this. And there's this TV box. Wait. Oh my gosh, what is this? It is, look at that. Look at that, look at that. It's a bath bomb. It's a bath bomb. It's a bath bomb. And you know, there are a lot of people who love Stranger Things because the people who make bath bombs, I don't know if I'm supposed to mention the name or not, but they had a thing for Stranger Things. Who is this by? I know. I'm overly excited. I'm filming, please. I love that. I love that. Okay. Last but not least, what is this? What is this? What is this? What is this? What is this gorgeous box? It's a rainbow room. Oh my gosh. Remember Al in the rainbow room? Remember? Pillowcase and eye mask. 2-piece set. This is cool. This is cool. So you want to sleep? You when you're on your retreat? Or you just want the sun out of your eyes? This is so cool. I don't know what to say. I'm ecstatically happy. I'm so ecstatically happy. I'm speechless. And I am already looking at that and thinking, okay, where do I fit this in with my other works in progress? Okay. But that looks like everything. Oh my gosh, this was an awesome box. And I need to add to my notebook about what I'm stitching and where. Come here. Oh, he went to his little bed. He has a bed in every room. This is Alba. Alba, say hi. He's a Bichon Frise. Hello, say hi. Thank you. I'm Tamara. And this is, I think this is like my number 5 or number 6 video. So please follow me. You never know what will happen. Bye.